Hello everyone. Again, welcome to numerical stage of utilization. And today our numerical problem is an electric train has an average speed of 42 km per hour on a level track between stop 1400 meter apart. It is accelerated at 1.7 km per hour per second and is braked at 3.3 km per hour per second. Draw the speed time curve of the run. And write first of all write all the acceleration alpha equal to 1.7, retardation beta 3.3, distance s equal to 1400 kilometers. So convert this into the kilometer, and average speed va 42 kilometer per hour. Time of speed s upon va into 30, total distance already given, so s upon va into 36, that is 1.4 upon 42 into 36, that is 120 second. And we know vm equal to t by 2k minus root under t square upon 4k square minus 3600 s upon k. So k equal to 1 upon 2 alpha plus 1 upon 2 beta, and we can get k equal to 0.4456. Then put all the above all the value from the above, then you can get vm equal to 52 kilometer per hour, and this is the speed time curve of the above equation, and acceleration time tn equal to vm1 alpha. So Bm equal to 52 upon 1.7, 30.6 second, and braking speed T3 equal to Bm upon beta, that is 52 upon 33.3, 15.8 second, and free running period T2 equal to T minus T1 plus T3. So 120 minus 36.5, 36 30.6 plus 15.8, that is 73.6 second. This is 73.6 second, 15.8 second, and in 30.6 second. In the question, we have to find, we have to draw the speed time curve. So for speed time curve, we have to know Vm, T1, T2, and T3. From the here, we can get all these values, and we have drawn this figure.